Welcome to our first YouTube video. Our goal for this channel is to teach young kids about the magic of science.
Our topic for today's video is
Slime! Slime is easy to make and something that I've loved making for my whole life.
To make slime, all you need is glue and borax, but for this video, we will be using contact lens solution instead of borax because the chemicals in it can be harmful to sensitive skin.
We're also going to use shaving cream so that the slime is fluffier.
First, we grab a bowl, but you can use any surface as long as you're able to stir it.
Next, we add our glue.
We then add shaving cream to the glue to give it the desired fluffy texture.
Finally, add contact lens solution.
Stir it all together, and now we have slime.
That's awesome, but how did the slime turn into slime from just 3 ingredients?
That's a great question. It all starts with a chemical reaction. When the solution and glue are mixed together, you see, slime is neither a liquid nor a solid, known as a non-Newtonian fluid.
Boring. Just tell me how it gets to be slime.
Fine. When making slime, you can't just use any old glue. You need to use glue that has polyvinyl alcohol and contact lens solution that has boric acid and sodium borate. When these things are added together, it creates a tight bond, which makes the slime very hard to pull apart.
Oh, I get it now. So basically, if the glue is like a bunch of separate spaghetti noodles, when you add the contact lens solution, it should force the spaghetti noodles to join together and make one big spaghetti noodle.
Exactly.
The great thing is you can make slime in a variety of ways. You can add clay to make butter slime or clear glue to make clear slime.
Just like pasta. There's angel hair, spaghetti, penne, fettuccine, but no matter what shape, it's still pasta, and the slime is still slime.
Exactly. Now you're getting it. Alyssa, you're gonna have to put the slime down now, okay?
But it's just so much fun.